Nothing in your blood or. Boy, you call up my name, girl, my bingo, me have me. You, ooh. Tonight is Kitty night, and we're outside. Kitty is your night tonight. The whole of my bingo player them every night tonight go get a night. Summer, where do you when you win, you not get your money? Summer, where do you when time you win? 400 and how much dollar? You not get your money, Summer. Summer, you know as my witness, I'm pay the woman her 620. You know as witness. I mean, was a line of blood clot till I don't own nobody. Bad mind you not have. Everybody get pays. Then come here now. Me I play bingo every night with somebody when a blood clot pay me my money. True. That's even a whole up no more argument with so cocky uno. I go like me need blood clot company for Anglia crush up face blood clot. Me need company for angle you. And that me and Mickey and do. Yeah. Me I try catch a post office before it closes. The blood clot. Fancy! Zoom! Zoom! Fancy! Zoom blood clot in. What do your whole face ugly girl? Dirty fuck out to Peter gave from blood clot Waterhouse. Where you follow me for or? Through my bingo game. All when time I drop bingo 100 days and come back today. My board I go full. Come a pee out. Go out. See summer here. You owe summer. You owe summer. Go pay a summer fancy pee. You owe summer. Go and pay summer money shit house. You come and bring down my name. Everybody hate you in a bingo. Everybody hate you in a bingo. You hate the good girl because the girl come to you come say, Mama, I make $2,000 today, no. I'm going to make $3,000 today, no. You start hate the woman fancy. Remember, that's where the hate come from with me and you. When you tell us I make $4,000 when down at Jamaica, one day make $4,000. And you say to me, them time they at Jamaica me there. And you say to me, say, my mother sell car, mother buy car China and sell it, you know. If you want a car, me can make you get it. So cocky fancy pee. Is that a lie or is it the truth? Let me tell you how the blood clot badness go now. My friend named Chin. Sherry's. Me did a babysit my friend baby. I'm a some little fubble double go out in the house because me have thin skin. I'm a Sagittarius. And you see a face screw up to blood clot much of me and stay with you, me take it personal. So you know what me do? Same time I dead there, I'm here saying I know what for going as blood clot and feeling me and my people but me not link with them. I'm a go so boob. But then on my phone I'm see you fancy call me out of nowhere you call me fancy and when you call me say blood clot. You know some day I keep my friend baby and I don't like how she move. Because the first pay me get, I never like how the pay stay. Me not stay here so. That me tell you no or. And you go up on the phone and you link up Monique. Who thief $10 bag of weed? You fucking cokehead girl. So good girl. Is that stage girl look? Somebody tag Monique slave banner or whatever slay on a film there. Monique slay and come reason with blood clot with you so. Me a good girl and set me name down at that. Where you say, me left a good clean name in a blood clot Monique house. And a me left Monique house because I like people. And I can't stay around people too long. Where you say, no girl no put me out or. No girl don't put me out. Because if you help me not stroke your face around me dog shit, because I go feel away. And know that to me is a Sagittarius. Me easily pick up on a blood clot. Where you say, put up who? You want to see mama, I go lick on with me things them when me get me apartment. And I ask Christ. Because fancy, when they a long time and I make no sense in a foreign. You know I make no sense more than you just walk a bad mind every girl we a try. What do you fancy? What do you dirty whore? What do you shape, stay bad, shrivel up face woman? I doubt if you reach 40. With a face like yours, I would sit on it. Me now walk up and down a room with them, the face the way you have, girl. You should do a thing like this. Sit on it. Sit on that blood clot head where God show up on your body and say, come here, you swine, hold this, I can't wait. Like, well, let me never blood clot tell you summer. I tell you, say, me not get it. Take no man, them and she and her friend, them a bomb rush me over there with the board and thing. And me I say, show me the bid. Reset the board. You not do it. So if you get paid, you can't get paid from me. You have to show me how I lose my money so good fancy, then you get paid. You're brighty. What you mean if post office far? Some work hard for my blood clot money and some girl feel like say a joke thing with me thing. I go like a bingo make me do this. Me been a hold my butter before bingo occur, youth. Need a water. I need a bottle of water. All in the team up on the still stink. I chew me a top and I tell a lie. King and queen stink. I want another girl, you know. And I want big dirt boy. Boy with think. Stinking Kiki, look at you. Go beard. You're the next one who want your dirtiest, nastiest, lowest life Batman you be. Thanks. UK shorty, I don't understand when they say my tattoo look bad. Look bad in terms of when something bad it can't write. So me don't understand that. Talk with sense. Let me answer you because I have answer to everybody question or to anybody argument. Oh, can UK shorty, you know, it's a blood clot boiling pot this right now upstairs. Good. Like nobody so dirty blood clot regular 11 and dusty 7. What you know? Pan the live look dusty. Dirty. Some say add wait. Remember add some. When me see I try every turn and I try fight blood clot. Me wanna fight my father. Why am I fighting me? Listen.
What happened now? I'm done this. I mean,
No fancy.
What happened?
After yesterday, me a sleeping out and Kitty wait, call me and wait me and say, me over body and I win. Come over there, come drop 2 number. Say who nobody and I'm not playing anybody, you know, cause anybody no support them. So same time she send me the live and say, listen, I can't see her page because it's private. So Kitty make she answer my request and everything and I end up go over there. As me go over there, you're so good fancy pay. Body and I make sure I make them send them money, you know, because they walk around people. So me say stinking fancy pay. Nobody no rob nobody but you.
But I me walk and rob them because enough for them me who. Enough for them me who. I'm tell them already me now pay them. So you know matter.
But also to beat up and chest when me tell her brother in partner like say by 14 and 6. Stinking out and get back your money. Oh, we forgot to tell her so good girl.
Yeah, but either way, what I'm saying
is girl, make she up on the life pay you because she have a girl with the Jeremy. Me and Jeremy. I have a friend of Jeremy and me I lose my money. So good girl, and we are ramp with. And we are ramp with thinking that is that fancy.
But I'm trying to figure out how the argument come up, and then you're saying how you know pay people. The girl got paid. It's one person, something happened and bumbleclot. And you end up paying her money, and then somebody, even though it was the same thing, that's what I told you. The girl was saying that wasn't her for real plane, and I believe that wasn't her plane.
I not be see. Listen, me have a conversation. Listen up, summer. I not be see when all the $100 $200 me send blood clot.
Because jeez. either way, listen to what I'm
Yeah.
saying though, because when I was doing bingo before, a lot of them
All
used to
right.
make
Suppose
fake
she
page,
send
and in the
screen
bingo people
record.
them,
No,
a
what
lot
she
of
did
them used to make page.
the same fucking page there. What do you, summer? You think me an
This is
idiot?
true. You show me that too.
She up on a screen record when she come play at 160. She up on a screen record to play bingo in another Davia bingo name there. What do you? What?
Cheers.
You
You know the
can't
post
close
office
me have
closed.
half
Duh.
hour.
You know where I go. You know the post.
Me have only for time. 6, yeah.
Post office by you close 6.
Mm-mm.
Let me just reach post office and them close. My whole thing is, I'm just saying though, is the fact that
Yeah.
this talk come up. You told her you're not
Exactly.
paying
And
her
I go
already,
for
so why
live
is
and
this
I
still
call up my
going
name and I
on?
tell people like, me I ask you now, the woman with the $620 type that woman. Okay, thank you very much.
Yeah,
Because
because I
my
have to pay her
fucking
money
cash
too.
app was maxed
I
out,
send her
right?
some of the money for you.
Okay. Thank you. So
Yeah. But I end up paying her. We did
$600.
pay her though, because I gave her.
That's what I'm saying. People send me
Ooh,
live.
okay.
I
Well,
don't owe
you know
nobody
that's
no
not true,
money.
so why you even
Nobody not
online
even a
arguing?
cent.
Yeah, well, if you know you pay, so why
I
you
have to
even
beat up my
online
chest
beating
because
up your chest?
them are destroy my blood clot, bingo blood clot. That's you know.
But they cannot. They don't play with you though. You have your people. You're the only
Exactly.
host in bingo when I have to go
I
support
never
people.
send them live to me. Instead of saying
So why you
anytime,
even
anything
beating up
some of
your
them get
chest?
them to take it. Yeah, because you don't play with me. I don't want me to come play with you all the while. So me I gonna get back your support. People can take them support anyway.
Yeah, but listen, one person in a bingo right now, me,
I mean
and
you
a
walk
Kimmy,
me
and she I get her money, and that's it. Anybody else? They already went on somebody live. I was playing with somebody, and they go up on the person live and say, "Oh, someone up here." Me know who me up here. I mean, not pay them. I mean, tell them all the time.
this morning, I tell them more here. Red Bull PS price I said 2 again.
Yeah,
She
but you
didn't
don't need
make
to
it.
beat
She
up your
didn't owe
chest.
me
You
110.
know, you
I'm
don't
going
need
to
to
go
go
pay
live arguing.
250,
If they want to talk,
350, plus
jeez.
me the owe $50, 400 that. Take away, well I know, take away
Yeah, but what
150
I'm
from that
telling you
the food.
is stop.
Wagon.
Cheese.
Yeah man. Huh? There.
Stop. You don't
Yeah.
need to be beating up your chest. You know who you pay and you know who you're not pay. And conversation done. When you're playing bingo, your life don't have so much people. It don't make sense. Like, let them go ahead
Alright,
and
my man,
talk.
go now from all them sauce.
Just let
Yeah,
whoever
I'm
want to
batty
talk,
man where
talk.
they a
They
long
said
time
it with
and I make
me.
sense enough for good. I'm gonna give blood clot people due time. People need time. I'm going to even take a page out of my blood clot book. It house. I'm feel like I'm not come and find come soon that make sense. I don't want there on a girl when I make no sense. Yeah, foreign. The energy when me want
Yeah, well, you don't
is
need
the
to be
energy when
worrying
me
up
there on
yourself. You
people.
don't need to.
When them I do things and I'm motivated.
Yeah, but you don't have to. You don't have to. Argue. You already said what you do. You said, okay, whoever you owe, you're not pay. That's it. If you don't want to pay them, you know I'm paying. It's end the story. You come in and beat up your chest for what reason? They cannot stop. They cannot stop your thing. You already know. It's the same thing with me. I don't do bingo. I came back. I did it for like 2 days and I blocked everybody back.
The post
I'm not
office
doing it.
and me go write up the things them. Then go come back live when time I don't come here if I need my phone to get them order. Don't wait. Me
No,
not
done
done. I
this.
come it
Done.
right
Done
back.
it. Done it. Done it.
When time
Done it.
people disturb my
Done
spirit,
it.
then
Done
get the
it. Never
wrong side
report
of
your
me.
life every time.